Greetings of the day. Today we are going to discuss about a very basic topic, that is from the basics, the understanding what is an ECG to a various aspect of ECG. What can ECG do? How can it do? So the various concepts are discussed, and this is a part of a video series that I'm going to discuss. And so let's begin. So what's an ECG? An ECG is a recording of a electrical activity. So recording is called as a gram, and electrical, that is electro of the generated by the cells of the heart that reaches the body surface. This electrical activity initiates the heart muscular contraction that pumps the blood to the body. We all know that the heart is a pumping machine of our body. So each ECG recording electrode provides ECG recording electrode provides one of the poles of the lead, which gives the view of the electrical activity that it sees from its particular position on the body surface. The observation of 12 views provided by routine clinical ECG allows you to move around this electrical activity just as though you were seeing the heart from various viewpoints. Indeed, reversal of poles of each lead provides a reciprocal mirror-like view. You should probably have your own ECG recorded, then ask an experienced ECG reader to explain it to you. This experience removes the mystery surrounding the ECG and prepares you for the basic concepts. Okay. So what does an ECG actually, what does an electrocardiogram actually measure? The ECG recording plots the voltages on its vertical axis against time on its horizontal axis. The measurements along the horizontal axis indicate the overall heart rate regularity and time intervals during electrical activation that move from one part of the heart to another. The measurements along the vertical indicate the voltage measured on the body surface. This voltage represents the summation of the electrical activation of all of the cardiac cells. Some abnormalities can be detected by measurements on a single electrode, a single ECG recording, but others become apparent only by observing serial recordings over time. So what medical problems can be diagnosed with an ECG? So many cardiac abnormalities can be detected, including enlargement of heart, electrical conduction blocks, insufficient blood flow, death of the heart muscle due to coronary thrombosis. So the ECG can even identify which of the coronary arteries contain this occlusion when it is still only threatening to destroy a region of the heart muscle. ECG is also the primary method for identifying problems with heart rate and regularity. In addition to its value for understanding cardiac problems, the ECG can be used to aid in diagnosing medical conditions throughout the body. For example, ECG can reveal abnormal levels of ions in the blood, such as potassium, calcium, and also abnormal functions of the glands, such as thyroid. It can also detect potentially dangerous levels of certain drugs too. So isn't it amazing to see all these things with just a paper recorded by an electrodes, right? So we are going to discuss about the various things. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.